What are the main challenges to an organization starting such a project?
So some of the main challenges are around where to start. So it's really a case of not panicking, but really taking a system or set of data that you have good understanding with and use that to work with. Use that as a pilot project, and then you can really use that as part of your internal training and starting to communicate that out into the business as to how to take on the bigger project. So start simple, start small, and then use that as the pilot, and really don't panic or be overwhelmed by the size of the entire project running.
Apart from the obvious ability to search and retrieve data, what does LTA have to offer as a product?
A lot. It's very feature rich. Two main areas that we're very excited in is that all of the configuration tools within the product to control archive, access, search criteria and user permissions are all controlled within the product. So therefore a organisation can configure future archives themselves without having to go back to the selling company or the vendor of the product.
Many people are still storing records in paper format. What more can you tell us about the market and where that's heading?
Yeah, so the market is in its infancy. That's one of the exciting elements with digital data preservation. If you look previous, then there's a lot of historic data that we need to store in a more robust format. And when you look at market research companies such as Gartner, they're really excited about where the market's going to go in the future as we start to create more and more digital data. So we see it as a growing market and one that a lot of people are only just finding out about currently.